Right, here I have a Renshaw truck, late 19th, early 20th century, and I want to make it so that I can put some sand and stone, some ballast in it, but not so heavy the damn thing can't move. So what I do is, some people use plasticine, but I think that's too heavy. What I do is I put copious amounts of glue in the bottom of the truck, and I've cut out some balsa, which is about 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. Make sure it fits, and I put it in the truck. As simple as that. You don't have to wait for it to dry. And now I'm going to put some ballast in. Well, what I use is an old Tupperware box, so I can catch anything that's that's just going to fall out the sides. And I put copious amounts of glue in, loads of it, get it everywhere. And I've got it's basically what I'm using leftovers from what I've used for the track, but it works with this. And basically you just put in as much as you want to put in. And there you go, that's part 2. Right, now what you need to do is you need to mix up some UPVA glue. To glue the mix down, because obviously just being stuck at the bottom is not much good. So you put some glue in a pot, like so. Don't know if you can see it because it's white. Pushes across a bit. A spattering of just a little bit of fairy liquid. There you go. It just helps it soaking, and a little bit of water. And you mix it. Probably a little bit too much water there. As it turned out, we think the glue's okay. So basically you get a pipette, and basically all you do is you just let it go onto your sand and ballast in the truck, and you can see it soaking in. In fact, I'm going to get some toilet paper because I don't want it soaking onto the stuff I'm going to reuse. And you just basically, now I use one of these rather than a syringe, because a syringe forces the fluid out too quickly. And basically you just liberally cover it, because you've got a lot of sand in there, and you can see. Now UPVA will dry clear. That will dry overnight, and basically with the sand you got left over, you put it back in the pot and you use it for the next truck. And it's as simple as that. And if you find the next morning, depends how warm your house is. If it's, the airing cupboard's probably a good place to let it dry. You give it a couple of days before you tip it upside down, because you don't want the whole lot coming out. And that's it. And here is a finished truck from before. Still a little bit of sand comes out, and that's how it looks when it's finished. And that's it. And you can I do the same with coal, if I put coal in trucks, but I always use balsa wood because it's light. Thank you.